Your iDrive screen. It's the life of any modern BMW. It's responsible for entertainment, information, and so much more. But what do you do when it breaks? Thankfully, BeamerTech offers a solution for that. When your iDrive screen breaks, it's not fun. However, BeamerTech offers factory replacement screens. These screens are 100% OEM replacement parts, and they're absurdly easy to install. These screens are also a great option if you want to upgrade to something bigger and better. Take this 6.5-inch screen, for example. You could see so much more with one of these. Now, keep in mind that while installation might be just as easy, you will also need to book a remote coding session with BeamerTech to let your BMW know that you have a larger screen. But we won't get into that here since this doesn't apply to a direct factory replacement. However, if you want to learn more about this process and getting a bigger screen, well then check the link in the description of this video. Now it is important to note that not all BMWs can accept a larger screen, so to check that compatibility, you could also find that out on our website. Replacing the iDrive screen in your BMW is actually really simple, and we offer all the tools you need to get it done. You get the knowledge from this video and all the physical tools you could find on our website. We have all the tools you need and more in our BeamerTech DIY Essentials Kit and Trim Tool Kit. We're going to be replacing this screen in our F30. Now, if you don't have an F30, the biggest difference is going to be this trim piece that you need to take off to get to the mounting location of the screen. After that, it's identical. So let's get to it. First thing is to remove your trim. You can use a trim tool for this. Ours, I'm just going to pull off by hand. You can disconnect everything if you want, but we're just going to let this sit here for now. And we have two T20 screws, one in here and one in here. We're going to use a screwdriver and T20 bit from our BeamerTech DIY Essentials Kit. Now, be careful when you do loosen these screws, because if you drop one, it falls on the point of no return and you will not get it back. I swear I'm not speaking from experience. Might also suggest wearing gloves if yours is leaking glass shards from being hit by a hatchet. Some of these screws can get annoying. Okay. So pliers are not in our DIY Essentials Kit, but they help sometimes. Now we're going to pop the screen out, like so. And now we have to remove the cable in the back. Just going to press in on this tab right here and then use the trim tool to help assist on prying it out. Easy. We're going to take this broken screen and get rid of it. Now we're going to take our replacement screen, plug in the video cable like so. Easy. Take our T20 screws, reinstall them. Second screw. Reinstall your trim. Done. No coding, super simple install. That's it. It's super simple to install a new screen in your BMW, and we have all the tools to make it even easier in our BeamerTech DIY Essentials Kit and Trim Tool Kit. And if you don't feel comfortable doing this yourself, or if you just don't want to do it yourself, you could find one of our certified installers near you on our website. We have them in about 30 countries around the world. And don't forget that if you are in the Orlando, Florida area, well then stop on by and we could do it for you. Don't go another moment with a broken iDrive screen. We have everything you need to make that screen even better than before. Oh, and do you have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on that screen? If not, we have a solution for that too. To learn more about everything you've seen in this video, including our shameless plug on our wireless CarPlay and Android Auto MMI Pro, then check the description of this video for those links. For more product reviews, tips and tricks, and so much more on BMWs, Minis, and Supras, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.